love.
Programming languages, there are so many of them. But have you ever wondered how the same concept works across different languages? Welcome to this exclusive series on 963 Unplugged, where we break down the fundamentals of programming by comparing four of the most widely used languages: C, C++, Java, and Python. Each programming language has its own way of doing things, but many concepts remain the same, like variables, loops, functions, and object-oriented programming. In this series, we'll pick one common topic at a time and explore how it's implemented in each language, all in a single video. Whether you're a beginner deciding which language to learn, a student looking for clarity, or a developer expanding your knowledge, this series is for you. By the end, you'll have a strong understanding of how different programming languages work while spotting their similarities and differences. From basic syntax to advanced concepts, we'll break everything down step by step. Each video will focus on one topic and show you how it's implemented in C, C++, Java, and Python, making it easier than ever to learn and compare. So, if you're ready to explore the world of programming from a fresh perspective, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's embark on this coding journey together, one concept at a time. Stay tuned for the first episode.